So over here in this quiz, if I were to go around onto preview and select out, let's say, the correct answer right here, like PSD, and I'm going to go around and select out, let's say, graphic design and photo manipulation, submit, then what happens is that I can view the results immediately. But if you want to hide the results, let's say this is a cross test that you're taking, then what you can do is you can hide out the response, the quick response as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the three dot button right here and then go to settings. So once you do that, you can see that there is an option that says show results automatically. So if I were to disable this, now what happens is that the responses are collected, but the results are not shown immediately. So if I were to go around onto preview right here and select out, let's say, PSD, and then whatever choice I have right here, then I'm going to click on submit. Then it says it is completed, the response is accepted, but the result is hidden from the one who fills up the form. And that is how you can go around and disable it. And to enable it, you simply go back over here and then click on show results automatically again, and the results will show up. So that is how you can enable and disable immediate quiz responses inside of Microsoft Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.